What?
You're not really happy, you're sad, get it? It's funny!
If you say so.
Going up, sir. Mind the step, sir. Hold on, sir. Your floor, sir. Have a good day, sir. Curses. Foiled again.
We're eating healthy around here. We're gonna feel better and we're gonna look better.
Well, looking better doesn't always solve your problems, Lois. Sure didn't work for Droopy Dog when he got that facelift.
Contrary to my appearance, I'm still...
Good boy, tell her they're always in England. Pip, pip, cheerio.
Pip, pip to you, too. Pip, pip.
But it's the law of the West.
I got a box. You mean old dragon.
On your mark, get set. Go!
You know what? You cheated. Hello, Mr. Bull. Let's you and me fight.
My problem with liberals, Alan, is that liberals hate America.
Sean, I don't know if that's true.
You just contradicted me. You hate America.
If I could just get a word in.
You hate America. You like the terrorists.
Well, I guess you're right again.
Well, if Peter could try them, they might help with his problem.
Those are for man troubles? I've been prescribing them as antidepressants.
Everything's just getting harder and harder.
What a repulsive way to make a living.
Hello, all you happy taxpayers.
Baseball.
Hello, boys.
Quiet. Quiet, please.
You know, I think the dealer is crooked. Here, get up there. Mule train. Here, mule train. what? That's not sanitary. Mr. Dragon, that makes me mad. You know what? That makes me mad. You know what? I'm happy. You know what? She's my girl.
The new champion, Senor Droopy from Guadalupe. Now, senor, you have won the bullfight. You can have anything you want.
Well, I want this.
Oh, no, senor. She wouldn't want you.
Oh, no.
You know what? I'm happy.
Mr. Droopy.
Before your procedure, do you remember signing any papers?
Some insurance forms, maybe.
You signed one other form, one that you seem to have conveniently forgotten. Your Honor, Exhibit 12C, signed by the plaintiff waiving any and all rights to seek damages should the procedure go awry.
Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo-hoo.
We won? We won! Here! Cash! Lots of it! Who wants my Lexus? Thank you. Oh, and here, a coupon book of free cosmetic surgeries.
Liposuction, tummy tuck, free entree with the purchase of an entree of equal or greater value. Way to go, Bird. I'm sorry, Vice President Birdman.
Vice President Birdman?
Boo-hoo. 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 Boo-hoo.